सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। जैसे कि आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर एक स्लाइड में शो रहा कासा रेशो इन बैंक्स। जैसे कि आप सभी को आइडिया भी है कि बैंक्स में कासा के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा जोर दिया जाता है। क्लियर? कासा बढ़ाया जाए। क्लियर? तो आज के इस लेक्चर में हम सीखेंगे कि व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कासा, why day by day focusing on CASA, how to increase CASA. Clear? So basically our session is basically based upon the CASA ratio. So welcome to all of you in the Knowledgeist, and here I am Kirandeep Garg in front of you with the topic CASA saga. As why to join, as already all lectures, all examination basically courses are available on the Knowledgeist. Why to join Knowledgeist? Clear? Why to join? Basically all classes PDF will be available. Clear? On our application, on our website. Clear? And second is monthly RBI circular gist and banking awareness. Clear? We will also provide you every month RBI circular gist and banking awareness. Clear? We will provide you all banking awareness sessions. Access to members. Clear? Only who has members, they can access to our videos and all classes and all slides. Clear? They can access. And free access to all upcoming books. Clear? As we have working on the books also basically for different examination, we are basically presently only an institution who gives basically for lateral examination. Clear? Who helps you to prepare for the lateral examination. Clear? So now move to our topic, CASA saga. So, and one more, for all banking professional knowledge and financial awareness, you can subscribe or you can like my Facebook page, Preparation by Kirandeep Garg, and you can also subscribe or join our Telegram group, Knowledgeist Telegram group. The image is provided here. You can also check Knowledgeist for banking, and you can also find out by the link. Link is available as here. This is our link. Clear? So now we have to discuss regarding CASA. So banks borrow money. Clear? Banks borrow money in the form of deposits and then lend it. Clear? Banks borrow money from the public in the form of deposits and lend it. The difference between, clear, the difference between the borrowing and lending rates. Clear? The difference between the borrowing and lending rates earns bank a spread or a margin. Clear? Basically the difference between the borrowing and lending rate is basically called as a spread or a margin. So primarily bank have two types of deposits. Clear? Primarily bank have two types of deposit. Basically two types, term and non-term deposit. Clear? So the fixed deposit is an example of a term deposit wherein the bank promise. Clear? Wherein the bank promises a certain interest rate. Clear? Wherein the bank promises a certain interest rate for a certain period of time. On the other hand, non-term deposits refers to the money lying in the current or saving account and earns zero or small interest to the depositor. Clear? Basically on the FD, as all of us know that basically there is more interest rate, and on the current and saving amount there is less interest rate, or basically on the current there is no interest rate and in the saving very less interest rate. Clear? So what is CASA basically? CASA basically means current and saving account deposits to the total deposits. Clear? CASA is basically called as current or saving account deposit over total deposit. So this is an important analytical parameter for banks. The higher this ratio, as the higher this ratio, the lower the bank borrowing cost. Clear? As this ratio is higher, then it basically directly proportional, inversely proportional to the borrowing cost. Clear? If this ratio is higher, then the borrowing cost will be less. Clear? And lower the borrowing cost helps the banks earn better margins. अगर बैंक की बोरिंग कॉस्ट कम होती है तो उसको इनकम ज़्यादा हो जाती है. क्लियर? अब हमें ये नहीं आइडिया कि व्हाट इज बोरिंग कॉस्ट. बोरिंग कॉस्ट क्या है यहाँ पर, तो अभी हम उसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं कि बोरिंग कॉस्ट क्या है यहाँ पर. सो बोरिंग कॉस्ट बेसिकली आर इंटरेस्ट and other cost. Clear? Borrowing cost are interest and other cost incurred by an enterprise in connection with the borrowing of funds. Clear? So the following points should be taken into consideration for borrowing costs. कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हमें ध्यान में रखने पड़ते हैं बोरिंग कॉस्ट के विद रिस्पेक्ट टू. फर्स्ट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स और लॉन्ग टर्म डेब्ट्स शुड बी इंक्लूडेड एज अ पार्ट ऑफ बोरिंग कॉस्ट. क्लियर? जो शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स होते हैं, जो लॉन्ग टर्म डेब्ट्स होते हैं, वो भी आपके बोरिंग कॉस्ट में आते हैं. क्लियर? एग्जांपल, इंटरेस्ट पेड टू फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस फॉर लोन टेकन टू एक्वायर द एसेट्स. क्लियर? सेकंड इज if an enterprise has incurred any discount or premiums related to the borrowing cost, then it will be basically amortized. Clear? Basically, if any enterprise has incurred any discount or premiums related to the borrowing cost, then it will be amortized. Example, amount paid to the financial institutions as loan processing cost. Clear? Basically, amount paid to the financial institution as a loan processing cost, they will be basically called as amortized. Clear? This is basically the borrowing cost. Is simply we can say that the interest bank pays is called as the borrowing cost. So basically, as you know that RBI releases its annual report, so we have to discuss basically who has the CASA achiever. Clear? Presently, who has the CASA achiever. Clear? So we analyzed the listed banks that have reported an increase in their CASA ratio over the last 3 years while expanding their deposit base. Clear? Why I will discuss it? Because in many exams, interview, they will ask question why CASA is important for banks. Clear? So here IDFC. Clear? IDFC First Bank has emerged as the winner. Clear? As it managed to increase its CASA ratio from 10.1% in December 2017 to 48.3% in December 2020. Clear? There is basically large increase for 10.1% था दिसंबर 2017 में, जो बढ़कर कितना हो चुका 48.3% in December 2020. किसका? IDFC First Bank का. While it was able to show improvement in CASA in every quarter, its deposits grew by 78.5% year to year. Likewise, Bandhan Bank managed to increase its CASA from 33.2% in December 2017 to 42.9% in December 2020, while expanding its deposit base by 41.2%. Clear? So it shows that basically the small banks have continues make their important place in the banking sector. Clear? Like IDFC First Bank, Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank basically established in the year 2014. Clear? Now basically they are becoming an important banks in the India. Clear? Because their CASA ratio is continuously increased. So why basically, how basically their CASA increases, why customers are attracting towards them. So in addition to understanding measures, क्लियर कि कस्टमर इन बैंक्स की तरफ क्यों जा रहा है, क्योंकि पुराने बहुत बैंक हैं. इन एडिशन टू अंडरटेकिंग मेजर्स लाइक ओपनिंग ब्रांचेज एंड इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग सैलरीड अकाउंट्स, बैंक्स आर आल्सो ऑफर हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट्स ऑन सेविंग अकाउंट्स टू बूस्ट देयर कासा. क्लियर? हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट. IDFC First Bank was able to achieve this feat by offering high interest rate as on its saving account 6 to 7%. क्लियर? IDFC के पास कस्टमर ज़्यादा क्यों गया? क्योंकि उन्होंने सेविंग के ऊपर जो बाकी नॉर्मल बैंक्स में 2 से 2.5% के बीच में मिलता है, इन्होंने उस पर 6 से 7% के ऊपर ब्याज दे दिया. Although an increase in CASA in such cases does not lead to low borrowing cost immediately, as the bank attracts saving by offering high interest rates. Clear? Basically डायरेक्टली अगर कासा बढ़ने से आपका बोरिंग कॉस्ट कम नहीं होती क्योंकि कस्टमर को आप ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रेट दे रहे हो, वी पे मोर इंटरेस्ट रेट टू द कस्टमर टू अट्रैक्ट द डिपॉजिट. So a subsequent decline, clear, a subsequent decline in the interest rate of saving accounts coupled with the sticky nature of account holders can later translate them into the better spreads. So now basically constituent CASA, clear, consistent CASA. HDFC Bank has maintained a relatively high CASA of 46% as of March 2021 as compared to the 43.5% as of March 2018, clear, while expanding its deposit base by 19.2%, clear. What is the main reason? The maintenance of high CASA is the reflection of bank's service quality, which has resulted in customer stickiness, clear. Basically main reason is why basically the service quality. Then CASA winners, here IDFC we have already discussed regarding that. Current 48.3%. Second is Bandhan Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Central Bank of India, RBL. Clear. This is the only the government bank which has its CASA increase. Clear. Bank with the largest deterioration, basically decrease in CASA, Axis Bank, earlier 54, now 42. Yes Bank major 36 to 26.1. AU small banks 32 to 23. Clear. So over the last 3 years, Axis Bank has seen the maximum erosion in CASA, but its deposit growth is in double digits. Clear. Next comes to the Yes Bank, which suffered because of its exposure to bad debts. As all of us know that basically moratorium was also imposed on that. So the falling confidence of depositors in the bank led to a decrease of CASA from 38% in December 2017 to 26.1% in the March 2021. Clear. The bank was saved through capital infusion. Clear. As all of us we know that basically the bank was saved through capital infusion by other banks, mainly by the SBI, and saw an overhaul of its management and the bond. Clear. Basically CASA is very important for all banks, as we have here discussed also in which banks CASA was increased and where it was decreased. Clear. So for all courses you can visit our website knowledgeist.in. Why to join Knowledgeist? Basically we can provide you every day 2 live sessions after 8:30 p.m. as all of you are working in the banking sector, and so that's why basically you are for all classes available after 8:30. You can find on our application on our website all recorded classes, Qs and PDF. Basically we have top educators, more than 10 educators. We provide courses for all bank lateral examination, General Bank Officer, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, SBI, Bank of Maharashtra, Corporation Bank, IBPS, RRB Scale 2, Scale 3. Clear. All last year mock questions and 40 plus full mock tests, and we will provide you the assistance till the joining. Clear. So thanks to all of you for joining this video, and please subscribe the Knowledgeist for all lectures update, and please share this video with your friends also. Hope you like the video. Thanks.